Hey guys, welcome back to Only Mods. Today we're going to be changing out our stock mirror indicators and changing these bad boys for some sequential ones so that it matches the front VLAN headlights and the rear VLAN tail lights. So let's get to it. Should be easy. Alright guys, first step is to remove this mirror. What you want to do is just push that in that way. So you have a little gap here. Put in your prying tool. It's a couple of clips behind this mirror. You just want to pry it open like that. Try not to break your mirror. So you just want to open that up, push this to the side. Then in here, there's two white clips at the top. That should be a clip. That should be a clip. So my clips are actually broken. Yeah, so just remove this white cover. Next thing you want to do is remove these two screws. So you might need to pull your mirror out a bit. There you go. Put these aside because you'll need to use them again. I remove this bottom part. So you just want to literally just wiggle it so it's nice and loose. You want to unplug this plug. Just like that. Get your new indicator. Reinstall this wire. Just like that. Now you want to reinstall this black section, making sure to get that little notch into the hole. There's a little notch over here. Little notch over here that you want to click in by pushing up, just like that. Then over here at the bottom, you can see that is not lined up. Make sure you stick that over. Just like that. Boom. That's it. Now that's installed. You want to go ahead and reinstall the top white part. Just like that. Now you can go ahead and install those two screws that we removed earlier. Just like that. Put back your mirror. Just click it in. Make sure it's clipped in nicely. Everything's sturdy, and that's it. It's easy as that. Very simple install. After you've done the one side, head over to the other side, which I've already done. So happy days. So we can start up the car. So let's check them out. Get those hazards on. Oh man, that looks good. Super clean sweep. Now we've got the trinity of sweeping indicators. So we've got the front on both sides, which looks super nice, those VLAN headlights. Got the side indicators as well as the VLAN tail lights. So now we've got the full set, looks really good. Very happy with that install, guys. But yeah, unfortunately, this is just a quick video because we are waiting on that WRC front bumper, which I actually have an update for you guys. So before I say goodbye, I just want to show you guys the WRC front bumper. So just a little update. It's pre-primed, looks mad, looks really nice. Got the grills, got the little fog lights, which is insane. I didn't know it came with the fog lights. Got the little bash plate for the bottom. Got your little grill, R-line grill that goes up there. Comes with some screws, R-line badge in here, which is pretty sick. Don't know if I'm going to use it, but I'll probably put it on there anyway. But yeah, we actually did order two. So if you guys are in Perth, WA and want one, let me know because I can sell that one to you. Got a good deal on both of them, so I might as well sell one, keep one. And then yeah, we're just going to be painting it the Volkswagen Candy Wise or Waste, however you say that. Any German people, let me know how you pronounce that. But yeah, so yeah, that brings us to the end of the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and go check out the other videos. Helps out big time. See ya.